Hello guys, welcome back again to my channel. Today we will learn about the gas turbine, how gas turbine works and how electricity generated through gas turbine. Many times gas turbine also used for the space shuttle purpose and mechanical and application purpose to run the machineries. We will see in the video later on.
Applications.
Here, the two most common applications of gas turbine in modern industries. Gas turbo generator and gas compressor. Gas turbo generator works with the generator which generates the electricity over here. And you can see over here with the help of gas turbine we can run the generator and the generator generates the electricity. How chemical energy converts into the mechanical energy and mechanical energy generates the generator and generator develops electricity which further used for the our applications, industrial applications as well as domestic applications. Medium voltage and medium voltage then goes into the transformer and transformer to our home. You can see over here how with the use of chemical energy we can generate electricity and electricity transfers to our home. So this one is the basic principle of electricity generates through gas turbine. Now we can also use this kind of gas turbine in our space shuttle, rocket engineering, aeroscience engineering. So chemical energy of the fuel is transformed into the mechanical energy by the high pressure of exhaust gas. This kind of exhaust gas generated in the space shuttle, and space shuttles go away in the space as we all know. And now the supposed rocket body is robust mechanical structure to prevent the movement. You can see in the actual video. Now how it works is basically how it converts chemical energy into the mechanical energy with the use of high pressure. You can see the release of mechanical energy which mostly in the rotational of turbine shaft which rotates this kind of shaft which is situated at the bottom of the space shuttle. So previously shown as we have a gas turbine like this in which the chemical energy is passed through the high pressure. We also use this kind of modern gas turbine and its component. Which kind of components are there in modern component? Air, basically air, heat and fuel is there in this kind of gas turbine. You can see over here fuel, air, heat to develop chemical energy. Chemical energy generates heat and finally it converts into mechanical energy. Basically air is needed for any kind of combustion, that's why we require air with the high pressure, and with high pressure we can generate heat. So air which is in high pressure form, you can also say is the air or gas which contains little bit of moisture, altitude of sea level and so on. When the fire is established, the stabilized in the combustion chamber, and the ignition system will be put out of the service. The most critical process in the normal turbine operation is to manage the combustion, because high pressure heat is all over generated over there. This excess gas is applied to the turbine blades, and after rotating the turbine shaft, conducted to the exhaust stack. Here you can see that exhaust stack, how it converted into the energy. Ultimately, our goal is to develop energy with the high efficiency ratio. We can also see this kind of arrangement in further applications, because it converted application wise and application through. The screening and the filtration is basic requirement for incoming air, because in incoming air we can find that many impurities are there, so we have to monitor this kind of impurities. So that is how the electricity is generated through gas turbine for beginners through various kind of equipments. Here we can find the basic information regarding this. Later on we will find another applications likewise in aerospace, or you can say that gas turbine in our electricity plant, because our power plant combines all the things of this kind of separate equipments. So today and from here, later on we will put next video on this kind of electricity generation, because our ultimate goal is to know how electricity is generated with our mechanical devices. Thank you very much for viewing.